Really excited to talk to you about our new products, M18 Fuel 1/4" hex impact driver. So Paul talked about it already. This product is one of the most important products on the job site. When we launched Fuel in 2012, we started with a hammer drill, drill driver, and impact. These are the most popular tools on the job site, picked up every single day. So you have to be most productive in these products if you want to have the best cordless system. So we're committed to reinvesting every single time to develop new technologies to drive productivity. And this holds true from our third generation of Fuel. So if you look from 2012 when we launched it to 2015, everything inside of that tool is different. The electronics, motor, the mechanism, nothing's changed from our commitment to do that from our second to third gen. So I want to highlight quickly the things we did, and we'll show a quick demo on how that's paying off. So if you look at the mechanism, it's actually more compact. It's a 1/4" smaller, but it's 30% more power. So it's delivering that power because we've optimized it for different applications that our core trades focus on every day. So we did a lot of data logging with tools in the field. We did a lot of interviews with tradesmen, with business owners, distribution. We found out exactly what the core trades are doing. We designed the mechanism around that, so there's no wasted space here. This thing is dialed in, it's lean, it's mean. It's the most powerful mechanism in those applications we've ever made. Second thing we did is the electronics. So it's hard to tell because it's all potted, but everything in here is different, it's changed. So the capacitors, the microprocessors, the resistors, everything in here can handle the current that we're asking these tools to put out. And it's all delivering it to the motor. And the motor is really what's driving a lot of the power and torque increase. So it's a 1/4" smaller in length, but it's 30% more copper bound in there. So it's a new small frame motor Paul talked about. And the way we did it is we invested in new machinery and new manufacturing processes. So we design, assemble, manufacture all of our motors in-house, and allows us to do things like this. So it's precision wound copper, it's 30% more, delivering more torque than ever. So 2,000 inch-pounds of torque on this impact driver. The last thing is what's called an insert molded rotor end cap. It's a fancy way of saying that this rotor on the motor spins on the back of your tool. The reason we do that is it saves a 1/4" in length. It's a difficult thing to do. Most of our competitors don't bother doing it, but for us it's important because it saves that length. Hopefully the wow factor is there, how compact this tool is. 4.59 inches in length. And like I said, this is the fastest application speed, and it's also one of the most powerful impacts we make. So to highlight all this, we're going to come over here and we're going to show a quick demo. And what I'll need is one person in the crowd to join up and help us out here with the demo. You come on up, man. You and I go back a little bit here. How's it going? All right, so you guys are very machine. So I'll let you go with let you have the Milwaukee. So this is one of our leading competitors. We're gonna go ahead and just count down 3, 2, 1, go. And then as soon as it's fastened, you just hit the red button to stop it. Easy enough. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. It's infinitely faster. That's how fast it is. So I think we had a little mishap there on the button. It's all right. So, like I said, it's normally about 30% faster depending on the application and the product, but overall you can see that it was much quicker. The last thing I want to highlight here is our self-tapping screw mode. So we've got 4-mode drive control on all of our fuel impact drivers. With our 4th mode, it's self-tapping screw mode. So our electricians, HVAC, or really anyone who's doing self-tappers all day will really appreciate this mode because what it does is it shuts the tool off right when it's fastened. So you're not going to worry about over fastening, stripping out screws, or snapping off heads. So if you guys want to look up here, it's going to change RPMs as I go through the material. And as soon as it's seated, it's actually going to shut itself off completely. So still finger on the trigger there, and it's actually shut itself off completely.